Helicus is an organization, a startup company that coordinates for different large organizations an integrated, remotely automated platform for drone deliveries. So the use case behind all of our activities is basically a medical one. We were triggered by doctors who were running into problems because they agree that the future of medical service is specialization. So that different hospitals start collaborating and that each specializes in a certain expensive technical capability. For example, clinical biology or the clean room for chemotherapy preparation and so on. And then from those areas there would be interaction with the other locations. The evolution towards this future would lead to additional demand for ground-based transport, which is the current only solution. And this is dramatic because, of course, we already know that we have a congested situation, so this is not a solution. And therefore, we were requested, can we not leverage drone capability? And we started to study that, and indeed, the more hospitals start to work together in networks, the more the need arises and the more the interest grows. And for that reason, we are now in commercial and R&D relationships with 30 hospitals. We have launched the High SES project. High is the name of our Helicus Aero initiative, our ecosystem of companies that we collaborate with on various projects. And the SES acronym stands for scheduling, which is AI-based routing optimization software that we use to calculate optimized routes between hospitals, for example. The second letter in the acronym SES stands for connectivity, very important also on this conference, where we have definite use and need of 5G. 5G offers us a reliable, dedicated, guaranteed connection where we have low latency and high bandwidth available. This is absolutely important to offer remotely controlled command and control center based services. And then finally, the third letter in the SES acronym stands for security, cybersecurity. This is a key component when we are covering medical needs, medical transports. So far, most typical exercises, demonstrations have been pilot-based, individual flights, visual line of sight, and we need to get away from that. We need to get to an economical, viable model, and therefore 5G is key. Collaborating with Orange as a telco is extremely important because we are a very strong believer in leveraging the cellular systems that are in place to use the most modern equipment that is available, 5G, in order that we can have a very smooth rollout through not only Belgium, the Netherlands and Germany, where we now have projects, but also actually beyond that. And Orange is actually, of course, a very interesting partner because also in France we have some interactions with the group, and that is, of course, interesting for a Belgian company.